Hey guys, I just got my new Kindle in the mail, so I figured I'd make a quick video review with some of my initial impressions as well as a little comparison with how it stacks up against the previous Kindle. Now the first thing you'll notice, I'll put these right next to each other, is the size difference. The new Kindle is noticeably smaller. The screen is the same size, but it's cut a decent amount of space from the bottom of the case where the keypad is. The new keypad is a lot smaller, and also along the edges where you used to have these big buttons, the buttons are sleeker and more sort of built into the edge of the device in the new Kindle. I think this is great, especially with the keypad. I hardly ever use the thing, so to me, the smaller the better. As far as the screen goes, you probably are not going to be able to tell it all from this video, but the new screen is noticeably crisper than the old one. The old one is decent, so it's not like night and day or anything, but if you look at the two, you definitely won't be able to tell a difference. The other thing that I notice is that the new Kindle not only opens books faster, but it's also speedier in going to the next page. You'll see here that you can kind of just zip through. And I'll do a comparison with the old Kindle here, which you can tell that it's pretty slow compared to the new one. Those are some of the major things that you're going to notice. The other thing is some of the buttons that used to be on the top of the Kindle, like the power switch right here, is on the bottom of the new model. Now, I don't think that really makes much of a difference one way or another. It's just sort of worth noting. The new Kindle really has nothing along the top. So that's pretty much it. The Kindle was already one of my favorite devices, so I'm pretty psyched to see the new version. There really aren't a lot of huge revolutionary new features, but where it counts, like things like resolution, how quickly pages turn, all that kinds of things, the new Kindle makes pretty noticeable improvements over the old one. So if you use the Kindle as much as I do, I read pretty much every night, then I definitely recommend upgrading to the new version if my early impressions are any indication. All right, take it easy, guys.